Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make a moonglet for the children specially. For that I have taken 3 onion rings and tomato, onion and capsicum finely chopped, seasoned with oregano, black pepper and red chili powder, and moong dal ground with ginger garlic paste, green chili, curry leaves and salt and little bit of hing powder. The tawa is hot. I'm putting little oil. Batter. Keep the onion ring in the middle. I have kept the cheese slice also here. We'll place the cheese slice in the middle. And put the onion, capsicum, tomato mix here. And pour little batter on top of it again. Little oil on top of it. You can use butter. Cover it. Open the lid and flip the moonglet. Just poke like this so that the inside portion is cooked well. Children will like this. Definitely. You can replace the cheese with egg if you are an egg eater. When both the sides are cooked nicely, remove it. Your cheese moonglet is ready here to serve. Repeat the process. Onion ring also. Repeat the process for the balance onion ring also. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.